Welcome back. Today, we're diving into B2B conversion rate optimization, CRO, because every extra click that converts isn't just a win, it's revenue in your pipeline. B2B CRO focuses on turning visitors into leads and customers. It's about making every click count towards your bottom line. In B2B, landing even a single net new deal can mean thousands or millions in lifetime value. B2B buyers require more proof and value. Let's explore the top 5 B2B CRO strategies that can significantly boost your conversion rates. First, clarity over cleverness. Use direct, outcome-driven headlines and make the next step obvious for your visitors. Second, leverage social proof. Add customer logos, testimonials, and relevant case studies near every conversion point to build trust. Third, minimize friction. Shorten forms to the essentials and use progressive profiling to collect more data over time without overwhelming users. Fourth, personalize your content. Dynamically tailor CTAs, banners, or offers by industry, company size, or user behavior. Finally, test relentlessly. A/B test headlines, CTA buttons, images, and layout. Let hard data drive your decisions for continuous improvement. Now let's talk about the key CRO metrics you should be tracking to measure your success. Track your landing page conversion rate and forms completed versus started. These directly impact your lead generation. Monitor time on page versus bounce rate, and track demo requests and high-intent CTA clicks. These show user engagement. Also, calculate your cost per conversion and pipeline attribution. Even small uplifts can mean massive impact downstream. Let me share a real-world example of how these strategies delivered tangible results. By moving the testimonial slider above the form and adding a 10-word benefit statement, our page conversion rate jumped 42% in 1 month. Be aware of these common B2B CRO mistakes that can hinder your conversion efforts. Avoid using vague CTAs like "learn more" instead of "get your free assessment." Also, don't overload your forms. Stick to the essentials. Lastly, don't ignore mobile optimization. Decision makers often check on the go, so your mobile experience must be seamless. Here's your action plan to start optimizing for every click and close more deals. Run a landing page audit. Identify what's unclear, complicated, or missing social proof. Then, launch at least one A/B test every 2 weeks. Most importantly, align your CRO metrics with pipeline results, not just clicks. Focus on what truly drives revenue. Ready to maximize every opportunity? Like, comment, and subscribe for more B2B marketing playbooks.